Semangat pagi dan selamat datang di channel Pejuang Skripsi. Silahkan like, subscribe, and share supaya lebih banyak yang merasakan manfaat dari postingan ini. Kunjungi aminlimpo.com sebagai situs resminya. Baik, pada kesempatan kali ini, kembali kita akan membahas kumpulan judul skripsi bahasa Inggris untuk reading part ke-7. Seperti biasa di setiap postingan, saya selalu menampilkan 51 judul. Baik, kita langsung saja kumpulan judul skripsi bahasa Inggris reading part ke-7. Yang pertama, Analysis of Students' Difficulties in Pronouncing English Vowels in Reading Descriptive Tests made by the students. 2. Improving Reading Comprehension of the second semester students through the students' made question technique. 3. Improving student reading comprehension of descriptive text through Luxem method. Lanjut ke judul yang keempat, Improving student reading comprehension of free-form text using KWL strategy. 5. Improving the student reading comprehension skill using random text strategy. 6. The analysis of hyperbole words found in the song lyric of Taylor Swift album Red and its application in teaching reading. Berikutnya ke judul yang ke-7, The analysis of referring expression found in Paddington movie and its application to teach reading at the 11th grade of senior high school. Judul yang ke-8, The comparison of mind mapping technique and semantic mapping technique to enhance reading comprehension of the second grade student of senior high school. 9. The effect of the use of electronic dictionary and printed dictionary with grammar translation method on reading comprehension of the student of senior high school. Lanjut ke judul yang ke-10, The effectiveness of blog as an alternate-based learning media in teaching reading on report text at the 11th grade student of senior high school. 11. The effectiveness of British Broadcasting Corporation atau BBC internet material for reading comprehension at senior high school. 12. The effectiveness of co-teaching method to improving the student reading skill at the 8th grade student of junior high school. Lanjut ke judul yang ke-13, The effectiveness of graphic organizer in student STEAM achievement division method to improve the student reading skill. 14. The effectiveness of predict, organize, rehearse students reading comprehension in recount text of the 10th grade student of senior high school. 15. The effectiveness of silent card shuffle strategy in teaching reading descriptive text at the 10th grade students of senior high school. Lanjut ke judul yang ke-16, The effectiveness of Star Simple Stories atau Triple S method in teaching reading narrative text at the 8th grade student of junior high school. 17. The effectiveness of using aesthetic relation method in teaching reading descriptive text at the 10th grade student of senior high school. 18. The effectiveness of using food package in teaching reading procedure text at the 8th grade student of junior high school. Lanjut, 19. The effectiveness of using free virtual online course atau FVOC in teaching reading narrative text at the 7th grade student of junior high school. 20. The effectiveness of using illustration picture in teaching reading narrative text at the 8th grade student of junior high school. 21. The effectiveness of using information transfer activity in teaching reading comprehension at the 10th grade student of senior high school. Lanjut, 22. The effectiveness of using marking the text strategy in teaching reading comprehension at the 8th grade student of junior high school. 23. The effectiveness of using 1, 2, 3 strategy to improve student vocabulary mastery in reading narrative text at the 11th grade student of senior high school. 24. The effectiveness of using online picture book for teaching reading comprehension of narrative text. Lanjut ke judul berikutnya, yang ke-25, The Effectiveness of Using Paired Reading to Improve the Student Reading Comprehension Ability in Descriptive Tests at the 11th grade student of senior high school. 26. The Effectiveness of Using Personal Vocabulary Notes (PVN) in Teaching Reading at the 11th grade student of senior high school. 27. The Effectiveness of Using Reading Partner in Teaching Reading Descriptive Text at the 8th grade student of junior high school. Lanjut ke judul yang ke-28, The Effectiveness of Using Web-Based Media in Teaching Reading Narrative Text at the 10th grade student of senior high school. 29. The Effectiveness of Visual Imaginary Strategy in Teaching Reading Narrative Text. 30. The Effectiveness of Using Vocabulary Self-Collection Strategy atau VSS in Teaching Reading Comprehension of Descriptive Text at the 8th grade student of junior high school. Lanjut ke judul berikutnya, yaitu judul yang ke-31, The Effect of Font Size on Students' Reading Comprehension. 32. The Effects of Scientific Approach in Teaching Reading Comprehension to the 12th grade student of senior high school. 33. The Efficiency of Workshop Model in Teaching Reading Comprehension. Next, judul berikutnya 34, The Influence of Student Intensity in Independent Tasks on their Reading Comprehension Ability at the 8th grade student of junior high school. 35. The Influence of Student Mastery of Difficult Words to their Reading Comprehension. 36. The reading comprehension of the 10th grade student of senior high school solved by using generating interaction between schema and text atau GIS strategy. Lanjut, 37. The reading comprehension of training class on effective English conversation course solved by using chunking technique. 38. The reading recount text comprehension of the 8th grade student of junior high school solved by using Qureshi Professor Reading Technique. 39. The student reading comprehension solved by using Gallery Wall Technique. Lanjut, judul berikutnya yang ke-40, The Types of Questions Used by the Teacher in Reading Class. 41. The use of Qureshi Leader Reading Technique to teach reading comprehension of the 10th grade student of senior high school. 42. The use of game book as a digital media to enhance students' reading comprehension in narrative text. Lanjut, judul berikutnya 43. The use of metacognitive strategy in teaching reading for the 11th grade student of senior high school. 44. The use of reader, read, image, describe, evaluate, and repeat strategy in teaching reading narrative text to the 11th grade student of senior high school. 45. The use of reciprocal teaching technique atau RTT to teach senior high school students in reading narrative text. Kita lanjut lagi ke judul yang ke-46, The use of SAFI method to increase student reading skill on 11th grade student of senior high school. 47. The use of sensitization technique to improve reading skill on the 10th grade student of senior high school. 48. The use of CHIFIS strategy in teaching reading comprehension to the 8th grade student of junior high school. Berikutnya, judul yang ke-49, Using Contextualized Authentic Material in Teaching Reading Comprehension at the Junior High School. 50. Using Critical Thinking Method to improve student reading comprehension in narrative text. 51. Using Islamic value-based materials to improve English speaking and reading achievement of the student of junior high school. Terima kasih telah menonton. kumpulan judul skripsi bahasa Inggris Reading Part 7. Silahkan like, subscribe, and share di channel Pejuang Skripsi. Jangan lupa kunjungi ameliinfo.com sebagai situs resminya. Terima kasih.